and girls, and welcome back to Mark Making. Today, our new letter sound and picture is y, yak. Y, yak. You try. Well done. And to write the letter sound y, yak, we go down a horn, up a horn and under his head. Shall we have a go in our sparkly tray? Using your magic writing finger. Down a horn, up a horn and under his head. Well done! Why don't you have a try and send us your pictures? Bye!